All right, we're back here. This one hold tip right away. No chance for me to get in. Looking for a trade on this one down here. Dang, everything just seems to be pretty much bearish. 34, stop at 34 maybe. It's a 5-minute gap right here. Maybe. Wow, okay. 35 there. Mm, possibly. Volume on this pretty light. Daily is, yeah, we're gonna have a lot of resistance here on 8 and 9. So basically, we'll see. This one reopened. Crazy spread. Oh my goodness. Buying at 40, getting out at 7, 680. Wow, that's pretty wild. Back to 7. I mean, that's a serious dip to 680. Mm, yeah, those are some serious gains there. So maybe 7. I mean, this is one gamble, I think. If you gamble it, I don't know if it's set up here. I mean, it's pretty risky. I wish it gave a gap. I mean, this is a good gap right here. Early pre-market. 706 is this low. 30-cent gap. I mean, could work, but this candle just in and of itself, it's like $1 a share. Okay, gap closed. So here we would do a hold of 7. We hit the liquidity we wanted to hit, but I wonder if it's gonna keep going. Grab it some more up here. So UGRO, there's more resistance on this. I don't think so. All right, here we go. We could hold 7. Possibly hold 7. If it doesn't hold 7, it just have to jump out. There could be a 5-minute here. 5-minute play. Maybe. When as low as 704 there. UGRO. So 10 seconds here. Hopefully we get a dip into this area. 5-minute looks awful though. Here we go. My dip into this area here. I would probably take this. This might be a little safer. 682, hold down at 670. Ooh, no, that's actually kind of risky. This gap includes a hold down. So maybe I would do a hold of 7 on this area. There was a gap right here. So if it wants to hold 7, it could be quite nice. 714, 690, 690, wish 7. There are buyers here at 7. I'll buy it here. 7, 7, 718. Ooh. I'm in at 715. Wouldn't want it to enter the gap at this point. I wanted to fold roughly around 7. No, it's looking pretty bearish. It's looking pretty bearish. Nope. Okay. Dang, I thought it would be a good play around 7. Oh well, 200 shares only. Yeah, maybe that was not worth touching it. Not worth touching it. UGRO liquidity up here at 493. So I think we can keep going with the squeeze. Let's see. So early morning here, needs to hold above 4. Start with 400 in this gap and go and add into it. See if we can get a gap going. So 408, it's at low. Actually, I like this a lot. Nice. So E, yeah, it's pretty volatile. Pretty volatile there. Seller holding 408. The lowest 92. 408 holding quite strong. Let's see how well this candle is going to hold here. 10, 408, 408, 408. Yeah, let's do it. I'm in at 14 here. Yeah, it's coming down. So out on that 408. It looked like it was going to hold 408, and it did hold 408. I guess I jumped out pretty too quickly. Oh, right, those are 2 trades right there. I probably need to hold. There you go, nice. Nice, 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 nice. Ooh, coming down. Yeah, weird price action. This could be a nice 5-minute setup here. If a little lower, 80s. I like this. Nice. So 80, 88, 10-10 stop around here. I'm gonna fold this because this is actually a good setup. So 88, that right down where this line is, that's gonna be my stop. I think it'll be really good here. Ready to reduce some risk if it doesn't want to get higher yet. Needs to go now. No, I'm gonna reduce some risk here. I was expecting it to bounce a little quicker, so reducing risk. Okay, sick. Let's go. All right, looking to add. That was a 5-minute gap and go here. So there's a 5-minute gap forming, and my strategy was that this 5-minute gap will hold. So now here we go. We might take a trade over this 1-minute candle that makes a new high here. So let's see if we can get a trade over 410. Struggling over 410. Here you go, but it goes and makes it happen. Nice, 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 nice. So we're looking for this to keep pushing. Seller there. Holding 20s. It's gonna form a gap soon. We want this gap to hold. Not holding. Bounce at 4. No bounce. 80s. Oh my goodness. Are you joking, brother? Yeah, I kind of butcher this. Okay, well. The volatility was really awful there. Maybe I should have taken it right here in the 30s. I thought it would hold 4 and we could get a bounce, but it came down to 90s. Yeah, giving it too much room there. Mm, mm. Market is not supposed to be this tough. Honestly, it's not supposed to be this tough. It ain't supposed to be this hard. What's going on? False hold here? Could it be possible you get a false hold here? 728, is that low? I was going to press this. 728, dip at 728, 728 dip. Under 750. Under 750. Under 750. I would love it under 750. It's nice enough for that. Quick little dip, brother. Quick little dip. We know when it comes. We know we can see it. Could get crushed for 20 cents, but that's okay. We're looking to make a good trade here. So I'm acknowledging risk that it could drop on me 20 cents if I catch that dip under 750. Here it is. Stop 28. Come on. Come on, give me that entry. Oh, there. Did you even 752? No. Wanted a little lower. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. That section pretty weird. Beautiful gap right here. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, wow. Rejection there. 847. Mm. Issue kind of dip. Yeah. When you get a dip, then a bounce, those are the best setups. So waiting for that setup. I'll wait. Could hold above 8. So bad up here. The best trades come out of the dip. So maybe there's a dip somewhere here. Hold down to 7. So maybe we get a dip here. But then that 5-minute candle turns red and it looks very bad. Sitting down pretty red. Well, 160, not bad. We'll see, we'll wait. Here we go. Dip, dip, don't flush. Just dip. Give a sweet dip. Give a sweet dip. Come on. Man, this 5 minutes gonna turn red. It's not gonna look too good. 28. This is stop here. Is he gonna flush? Are you gonna flush? Holding strong in the 50s. May not actually get in there. Let's see, I'm being patient here. Low red volume on the pullback. That's good to see. 28 stop. Fine, 28 stop right here. In at 40. Pop, pop, pop now, pop now, pop now, pop now. Nice, 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 nice. Come on. 200 out right there. Chilling with 200 shares here. Hopefully I can get a good trade out of this. Rest might be flat. Could dip into the gap. Come on. Nice. Good bounce. Good bounce. Do it. That first exit 63. Now I'm looking for a bigger move here. Stop is going to be flat on the rest, it seems like. Yeah, I'm going to get out flat on this. Ooh. Get out there. 40. So basically flat. Okay, gap reclaim here. Dang. All right, at least I cut that in half. I'm looking for a bounce, you know, back to 8. So I'm always looking for the bigger picture move. Yeah. Again, I also have to know that the 5 minute looked pretty awful, so nothing you can do there. Nothing you can do there. Um, okay. So here we got a reclaim, reclaim, reclaim this area. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. The 5 minute looks very bad. All right, that's pretty strong here. Let's see what we can do. Seeing this here. Dang. Okay. We do have a target on this much higher. 50 cents. So it's done. Dang. This is able to hold. Bro. Yeah, I don't have a setup here per se. I'm just kind of going to read price action. Got right here at 38. It is going to break. It is going to break that. Wow. Okay. 36 by 35. We could get in here pretty nicely. 36.60. Getting back most of it. This could be also 5-minute gap and go, so very nice, very nice, very nice. 37 was the low of the previous candle. Maybe you can get a little lower. Let's see how will you hold 37. Top of that gap, 5-minute gap and go. You can see a good bounce here. Stop at 37 basically. I like this. I like this a lot. Here we go, 36.60. 37 keeps holding. I'll get in here. 36.8, 37. Beautiful here, 37. Now can we get the bounce? Now can we get the bounce? Stop is going to be flat, 36.8. Actually, 36.6. Yeah, that should be our stop. I want to see this thing bounce. I'll start taking profit at 38. I'll take some out right there at 37 for 1 cent. There's a red gap here, but this 5-minute looks, the 5-minute overall looks like we can survive this drop. So there it is. $39. I want to see 39 on this. Taking 1,000 out right there. I do want to see 39, but doesn't seem like we're gonna get it. So working with 2K here. Oh, brother. Don't do this. Bounce 37. I need to be alert here because I don't want to catch a flush, and also I want to be able to at least get out of this with some profit. So holding the 2K, maybe there will be a place to add later. So holding this, working with 2K, not the pretty decent amount. Nice, good bounce there. I think we could bounce. This gap doesn't strike me as a very strong one. Nice. Okay, good. So now I want to add here. I want to add here. Let's see. 28. Adding. That's a big buyer right there. Big bid. Come on. Come on. No. No, 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 no. Adding. I added right there. Hopefully this keeps going. I'll just a bit more. 38.6 I added. Come on, being patient here. A lot of good green volume there. 38.6. All right, I'm gonna get out here at 38. Looks like it's coming down. So looking for another entry. Maybe my ad was not the best one. Here we go. Looking for a dip again. Hmm. You know, got it right here, 36. Scaled out, scaled out. Try to add. Uh, Maybe added too soon. We'll see. Maybe should have added here on this dip instead. But I saw the volume and I thought, man, this volume looks good. We may push to 39 here. Now we're seeing that push to 39. All right. Well, let's see. 38. I'll take 1K here. Needs to go now, needs to go now, needs to go now. Green, 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 green. Let's do it. Green, green. Come on, go, 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 go. Adding, adding, adding. Break of 40. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Break of 40, break of 40. Now, 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 now. My gosh, what a struggle there. Now it's not doing it. Like, knowing this thing, it should have already broken 40. So there's a little gap right here, right? That's the gap and go. Looking for the break of 40. It's not doing it. Here we go. Could still do it. Gonna be looking for another gap then. Don't know. Let's see. 39 is a dip. Needs to hold 39. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. 39.6. Nah, okay. I can do it. All right. Pushed it a little too much here. Maybe I could have avoided that trade. had this. I probably had to keep holding this. That's 40, so that's like, I hold this, that's 39, 36, 78, so it's 150 right there. If I hold it, is there another dip here? Interesting if we see another dip here. Very good bounces off these lows. It's telling me there are buyers here. There are buyers right above this gap. So low of this was 37, so there are buyers at 37. Yeah, but there could also be sellers sitting here, which right now this looks good, but in a second this could still look bad. Keep coming down. So if we see 38, 39, different story. You see sellers right at this top. 30 back to 37, 37. Maybe there's another dip here. 36.6. Maybe. Maybe I'll take a top of the gap set up here at above 37, above 36. Don't want to sell off. Don't want to sell off here. For a bigger move. I don't want to sell off, so getting in here 1K. Seen a lot of green here. Ooh, okay, 36. Back to 37. Maybe I just have to be a little patient on that. I could get in here. 4K. And I'll get out. I had to be patient on that drop. I had to be a little patient. This looks good still. Okay, fine. Get in here. Get out flat. Stop is flat. 36.7. Come on. Like this setup. Don't fail. Don't fail. We got good volume here. Good green support. I'm at the top of the gap, so I'm right at VWAP, so we could see a good bounce or not. It might bounce a little lower again. 37. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Be generous. Should have gone lower on that dip, man. That was a mistake. That was a big mistake. Oh, 36, 37. It could be in a little trouble here. 36. Yeah. Trying it again, 36.4. Double bottom on that gap. Dang. All right, well. That's gonna do it for me today, I think. All right, I'd be looking for a dip here, 26 to 09. Need where the dip is. This could be good. 26 to 09. Could risk $100 here. Maybe risk 160. Looking nice, looking nice. Dip at 18, risk 10 cents. I'm gonna risk about 10 cents. We'll see how much this thing wants to dip and see if we get a nice bounce. Dip 26.09, 410 basically the stop. Buyers are 26, 25. I'll be patient on this one. Small seller there, 30s. Yeah, we might not even see this come all the way down. We do have a 5-minute gap and go also forming right here at 22. Maybe we get a dip here. 26, 25. 25. I want to try it here. Could be in too early. 24. 23. There it is. That little flash. Oh, what am I buying? Oh gosh. Oh no. It did not change. Ah, all right, let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. 22. I'll get in here 21. There it is, 16. That's better. In a 19. Okay. Ooh, in a 19. 410. Stop 410. 49. Bounce, 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 bounce. No, we might not. I might not get this bounce. I might get it cooked here. Yeah, I need to get out. I need to get out pretty soon. Ah, dang it. All right, we tried a dip there, but didn't work. Oh, gave everything back. What a shame, dude. All right. No dip on this thing. Lost basically 20 cents on that. Bought the wrong stock. Tried it once at 21, broke. Tried it again in 19. Wow. Not the day, huh? Down to 88. What's the deal here? Should have failed here. Should have failed here. Didn't do it. double top right here on this red gap. We have some resistance in the 25s. So maybe if we get to 30, there might be a little different story here. Gonna be sizing down, I guess. Going to be looking for a good trade. Something that looks obvious to me. 20 is holding. What's this? 15. Nothing obvious. Nothing that's telling me, man, this is gonna break or this is gonna go. Sideways, we attempted once, we rejected. Sideways again. And my attempt one more time. I have 39 orders. So don't have many. I want to trade less. So gotta look for it. Gotta look for something that's actually good. Stop trading a lot of garbage. This was decent. I let it go too much though. I should have taken it out right as it was breaking 8, like 10, 9. Should have taken it out there. Ended up taking it out at 403. A little too low in my opinion. Anyway, we'll see. All right. So are we finally going to get a push here? I would start with small size, see if we can get a gap over 27, 30s. All right, I'll get started here. Ooh, seller at 34. This seller could break. This seller could break. Nice. All right, sounds good. Adding again. Breaking through 40. Stop 35-ish. Nice. Looking for this to keep going. 45. There's going to be another gap being formed here, so I have to be in control and relaxed. So another gap here. See if it wants to test 50. Adding here. Oh, 38. Stop could be around 34. Push, push, push. Looking for a bounce here. Looking for this to test 50. Where did I add? 44. Oh, come on. I need to get out flat if it doesn't want to test here. Push. I need a push here. I need a push here. Need a push here. Stop is the break of that gap. Otherwise, we might not see this. I need to see a push here. Green, 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 green. It's not strong enough. It's not strong enough yet. Might have added too high there. So given this the 10 seconds, let me see how well this next candle is gonna play out. Here we go. Let's go. Let's test 40 sellers, bro. Don't want it to break 34. Don't want it to break 34. Also added 44, kind of too high. Looking for the test of 50 right away, but this is a little slower. Nah, not seeing it. 34 breaks, I need to get out. That's a good spot to get out. Oh, okay, 34. Wow. Oh, dude, I just don't. I'm not managing the trade well. I'm really not managing at all very well. Adding like bad spots. Not good, right? And then here we go. Dip into this gap. Yeah. So I got a good move all the way up to 40, 45. Probably should have taken it out right there instead of adding, 33, 33, 33, added 38. Should have taken it out 44. Man, instead I added a 44 for the break of 50. That's not the time for it. Here we go, this low of 27. Yeah, let's try it here. One last try. See if I can get a nice move in at 29. You can get a nice bounce. Yeah, out. No. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Man, it's just gonna be an awful day, down almost $400. Ah, yeah. Yeah, awful stock. Anyway, I'm just gonna take triple my loss. So down 130, down I was like down 130, now down 377. That's how easily you can lose. And honestly, I mismanaged this trade. Had a good exit, 44, just taking it. Decided not to do it. The backside is awful. Anyway, all right, this month has been pretty difficult for me adapting to big size. Adapting to it, making sure I follow my rules, um, and just eating big losses. Too many big losses. One, two, three, four big losses. One, two, three, four, five big losses if you think about it, over 200 bucks. Maybe we won't count this one, but definitely counting this, 4 days with big losses. Let's just say five, whatever. 5 days with big losses. I mean, just in these two, that's $1,000. And then these here is another, this is basically 500, like almost $2,000, right? Almost 2,000 in these red days. Can you believe that? Dang, that's crazy. That's crazy. So we're looking at 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 8. I have more red days this month than winning days. Anyway, I gotta go back to basics. I am trading really bad. Trading really, really bad. Anyway, a lot to review for myself. Trading really bad. Trading low quality stuff, low quality stuff. 16 trades. Look how many you read in a row. You know? And this was a mistake too. That was a mistake. No, man. When I trade my setup, the trades work very well. When I stick to it, the trades work really well. So anyway, I will take this red day. Believe me, I will have $1,000 days very soon. I have no doubt. No doubt in what it can do, what the stock market can do for you. I reviewed this day again and I'm thinking, man, this was like $1,000 day. I reviewed this and this is like an $800 day. I reviewed this and I was like, this is only $100 to $200 loss, $100 loss, a flat day. If I just followed my rules. If I just follow my rules. And today, even when it came to trading, even on my very first trade, like this was such a garbage setup. Garbage. Why did I even touch this? You know? Even when I traded this, like, brother, why am I adding at the I'm adding at the wrong today I added at the wrong places, I must admit. Um hold. Just hold it. Hold it. What's the worst case? You lose $50. Whatever. Hold it. But at least, hold through this nonsense. Would have gone it. I would have gone like 39, 40, and just be like, okay, I'll take the 3 to 1, 150 in the bank. So that's the kind of stuff I just gotta do. I just gotta freaking hold it. Hold it like there's no tomorrow. That's it. You know? Then went ahead and traded this, which is good. Added and added for the break of 40, didn't break 40. Okay, that's fine. These two would have been avoided. I should have avoided this. This is kind of dumb. One, not being patient enough on the dip. Then took this one out flat, fine. Then took it again. Like, why would you take it again? Just put your stop at 35. And just let her roll. Try it again, 35.80. Take less size perhaps. And I took a mistake, a wrong trade. This is a mistake. Ah, down 377. The month is looking pretty grim. Down 225 on the month. We are officially in a bad drawdown on the year. We are out of the drawdown on the 16th, but now we sunk ourselves in another $900 drawdown. Would we be able to conquer that and get out of that drawdown? But at least I would want to make the month green. And to make the month green, well, make 300 bucks. Can I make 300 bucks in 4, 5, 6 days? I will review my trading. I'm trading too much for too long, too many trades. Like 36. I need to go back to 8, 5, 15, 12, 7. You know, I need to go back to that. All right. Anyway, less is more. Less is more, and I need to follow my rules. Be obedient. Obedient to my process. All right, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. If you're a struggling trader, this is honestly the best platform. It gives you everything you need. I don't show you all my stats. Well, I could show you a little bit. Let's see. If you're really asking for it, you're not, but I actually want to see. I'm curious. Geez, what's going on? Yeah, so year to date, 34 wins, 21 losses. Actually, let's look at this month. 8 and 8. Oh, actually 8 and 8. All right. Dang. 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 If I didn't even have these losses, it'd be such a great month, huh? Two to one on my good days, 1-1 on my red days. Biggest winner, biggest losers. Average trade. Yeah, I mean, average trade is negative because my biggest have bigger losers. Yeah, because my losers are probably bigger. Losing trades, 124 winning trades. Yeah. There are many, and a lot of them are bigger. There are many, but the ones that are bad, they're pretty big. Losing more, yeah, you see. 3 cents. Not bad. Better risk to reward, better accuracy on the depths, man. The accuracy's so bad. Yeah. Switching my strategy hasn't really changed this. And that's going to be different from now on. That is going to be different from now on. I'm a new trader coming tomorrow. Come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. Try our free trading analysis tool. Right here, free. Data never stored, instant results, no sign up required. Try it for free. Join us for $5 a month, 50 a year. Hit me up on Discord if you have any questions. You need help trading. Well, I don't know if you need help from me. I'm like doing so bad, but I'm actually a profitable trader, believe it or not. I'm just having a rough month. I'm in my early stages of profitability. I guess we can take a look at last year. Yeah, so been steady. I've been steady. Hitting a rough patch here because I am trying to size up. But steady profitable. I mean, to be honest, I've been profitable since let's go back to 2024. I've been profitable since when I turned the corner was April, I believe. There you go. Yep, I turned the corner on April. Hit a nice run here. Bang, and then everything was pretty steady. Some swing trades hitting the bank here. Bang, nice swing trades. Closing some swing trades was doing good. And then just pretty steady, grinding it pretty steady. But I need a parabolic run. I'm looking for a parabolic run. And I think I'm due for one. Anyway, see you tomorrow. I'll come with more trading. Hit me up on Discord. Join us on Discord. Try it for free. 7-day free trial. 50 a year, 5 a month. All right, bye-bye.